We are going to start goal seek. What is goal seek? If you want to obtain any kind of goal, that is called a goal seek. If you have a specified range of the data and from you have to change something but you don't know how much we have to change, okay, that time we can use the goal seek. So let's start, take one example so that we can understand it. Here we can see okay, they have one company is there which sold the books, totally in a month 30 books they have sold. Per unit they have 666 rupees is the price is there, and they are making 20,000 profit. Now they want to increase their profit by 25,000, so they don't know how much cost for the one book they can be changed. They don't know, so it should come automatically per book. Okay, so we are going to use the goal seek because they decided to, their goal is to obtain 25,000 profit per month above the 30 units. So we have used here product function that will be multiplication of both these 30 and 6600. Okay, so click here and go to the tools and click on the goal seek. Now this window will appear. Now target value means they are going to increase profit 25,000, and in which cell they are going to change. So here they have to change. Click here and yes. Now if they want to earn 25,000 profit per month, then they have to change book price up to 833 rupees per book. Okay, so this is called the use of goal seek. Similarly here we have one data is there. Subject is maths, science, maths, English, SS and Gujarati, total and percentage. Here one student's name is there. In the maths she has 90, English 85, SS 78 and Gujarati 47 this time. Now she has changed the target. She wants to obtain 90 percentage. Okay, she wants 90 percentage overall. And so how much change she required in the Gujarati in the next time? If she wants 90 percentage in next exam and she wants to increase the marks in Gujarati, then how much marks she will get? So click here and we have to click on the tools and click the goal seek. Now target formula will be remain same because we are in this, we have assigned the formula. Click on the target here and target will be her target will be 90 percentage, and in which she wants to increase the marks. So Gujarati marks she wants to increase, so click here, press yes and okay. So this will be 107, so it is not possible to get 107. Okay, so what to do? She has to change her goal below the 90, or she can change the value like up and down. Now think about that, she wants not 90 but she wants 85. So at that time we will go to the again, click here tools and target will be her, she is going to decrease the target by 85 and marks will be changed here, like click here and click ok and yes. So yes, see, if she wants 85 percentage, then Gujarati marks should be 87, because based on that it will be total divided by 100. So this is called the goal seek. So whenever you decide any kind of goal, if you want to change any values, then you can use the goal seek. But most important part in the goal seek is goal seek only apply on the formula cell only, because here we have applied the formula. Here see, you can see here we have applied the formula. Only the formula part given, that will be applicable the goal seek only, otherwise goal seek will not work. Okay students, so I hope you understand how to use the goal seek in Excel as well as in the spreadsheet both. Okay, so like, share and subscribe my videos to your friends and enjoy the videos. Till then, next videos, thank you and bye.